Hello, welcome to Ebike Multnomah Falls. If you're watching this video, you have signed the waivers, grabbed a helmet, and you're on a bike wondering where do I go and how the heck do I ride this thing, and I'm here to answer those questions for you. So thanks for coming. We'll dive in. The route, we're right in the middle of the waterfall corridor. It's an amazing location. There's 90 waterfalls out here. And to our west, so we're in Warrendale. To our west are all the biggest, baddest waterfalls right off the side of the road, super easily accessible. To our east is a protected bike path with a ton more waterfalls and beautiful views of the Columbia River and the gorge. So where to go? We're gonna start with the western route here. That's the stuff that's west of us here in Warrendale. So you're gonna go out and take a left to head west, ride just 10 minutes down to Horsetail Falls. You'll pass a bathroom at Ainsworth on your way. At Horsetail, make sure and hike to Upper Horsetail. It's just to the top of waterfall and back 100 yards. It's a 30-minute round trip, and you get to go into a lava cave with the waterfall coming off the edge. You're behind it. You don't get to do that every day. So your next stop, you'll go through a tunnel here at Oneonta, and 10 minutes further down the road, you're at Multnomah. It is 620 feet tall, probably what brought you here today. Absolutely massive. And you can climb up to the waterfall there at the bridge. It's a 10-minute round trip, and that's where you're going to want to go. So from there, continue down to Waukena Falls. It's 1 minute on the bike. You'll be at Waukena, and then there hike up to the bridge as well. Keep going. You'll find Bridalveil Falls. You'll stay left at the fork to get there. There's a freeway entrance to the right. Again, we're just staying not on the freeway. And Bridalveil is about a 30-minute hike to the falls from where you park the bike. Your next stop is Shepherd's Dell. Amazing. You're going to go over a bridge over the waterfall there, which is just super rare and cool. And continue to Ladderell Falls, which is another 300-foot tall waterfall. You can get super close to it. Really cool. And you can even keep going all the way to Crown Point Vista House. Now, if you've been using the battery a lot, don't go. Make sure you have 4 bars of battery when it's rest to get up to Crown Point, because you're 12 miles back to where you started. And getting into the eastern route here, and you're welcome to just do the eastern route by taking a ride out of our driveway. You could also just go to Multnomah and then turn around and go do the eastern route. It's really cool. Starting at Aloha Falls. So there's a 45-minute hike here to Aloha. It's really beautiful. If you're afraid of heights, don't do it. The next hike is Wauclella Falls, and that's right there at the Bonneville Dam and Fish Hatchery. It is incredible. Wauclella, last time I did it, there were like 10 waterfalls in a slot canyon following a creek. It's an easy hike. It does take an hour, but it's not steep. Big bang for your buck on that one. And same at the Bonneville Dam and Fish Hatchery. It's almost like an aquarium. They've got rainbow trout, giant sturgeon in tanks, and it is just such a cool place to go. People absolutely love it. Continuing on, you'll find the Eagle Creek Recreation Area, where there's another fish hatchery. There's a beautiful road deeper into the woods. Nice viewpoint where you can see some osprey, herons, and eagles. Keep going. There's another viewpoint at Tooth Rock, where there was a beautiful, most beautiful section of the trail. And keep going all the way to Cascade Locks. You make it to Cascade Locks, you're going to find Thunder Island and the Bridge of the Gods are kind of the things to check out there. And the details for these are in the guide, so make sure you have that guide loaded on your phone. Has my phone number there if you need to help. It has the code to the locks. And with that, we're going to show you how to use these bikes. So to turn the bike on, you press and hold this mode button. If your bike doesn't have a mode button, it has a power button, and you press the power button and the bike comes on. Now, to make the bike, it helps you out already. You see this 1 number? That's how much the bike is helping you. If you go over here and press this up arrow, watch that number going up. You know, that's how the bike helps you out. So the higher the number, the more the bike helps you. And really, that's as much as you need to know about these bikes. There is a shifter over here. You know, you could press these buttons while you're riding the bike and you'll see what they do. First gear is the lowest, but you really don't need to worry about that. Now, the bikes do also have a throttle. So if you twist this, the bike will move forward. You kind of see the bike moving there. You could ride the bike just like a scooter with this. So you just twist the throttle and ride it. The way I use the throttle is when you're getting started from standing still, you can just twist that throttle to get up to speed quickly and then ride the bike like a normal bike. As far as the brakes, the right brake is the right one to use. It's the rear brake. When you're walking down the driveway, you can use the front brake. That's the one on the left. And when you're riding out there, to stay safe, you know, number one thing is don't ride on any gravel. So gravel's where accidents happen. Walk down the driveway. Other than that, you are just on pavement. So if you're on gravel, you're in the wrong place. Riding in the road, we recommend riding where the passenger of a car is in the road. And you have brake lights. So if you want somebody to pass you, you know, wait for a safe, straight part of the road. Slow down, hit the brakes. The car will see your brake lights. Give them a wave and they'll go right around you. It's legal to pass a bike even in a non-passing lane when it's nice and straight and safe. Those are our recommendations. Thanks for coming. You're gonna have a great day out there.